everyone, I'm Hannah from MakerFabs. Today, I'm excited to introduce the full-channel LoRa Relay Kit with a controller. This is a game changer for a reliable and long-range solution for remote controlling. This kit composed of a full-channel relay board and a controller. They are both based on Atmega 328P controller and the Semtech SX1602 LoRa solution. This relay board supports current max 10 amps. It is powered by DC 5 to 12 volt, while the controller works with standard 3 volt CR2032 coin battery. This kit works at 686 MHz using LoRa modulation, gives you a much longer range than traditional RF solution. This kit is open source both on hardware and firmware. They are developed with Arduino IDE. You can modify the code however you want, whether it is adjusting the output power for even longer distance or upgrading the system for future needs. After simple pairing, we successfully controlled the relay from several kilometers away, as shown on map. As controlling succeeds, the green LED lights on. Just think about all the smart home devices you could control from miles away, or automating remote equipment in industrial applications. Check out the full details on our website. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates from MakerFabs. Catch you in the next video. Goodbye.